LZ Tech, the leading expert in precise counter-drone solutions. Powered by globally pioneering technologies, cognitive radio protocol cracking and AI radio protocol cracking, we have developed 5 product families and over 30 advanced systems, defining the benchmark in low-altitude security. Founded in 2018, LZ Tech has grown to a team of over 400 employees, with R&D making up 40%. Our experts come from diverse backgrounds in cybersecurity, information protection, and radio communications, guided by values of pragmatism, persistence, and professionalism. We pioneered CRPC and advanced it from version 1.0 to 3.0 in just a few years. LZ Tech products are certified by CE, RoHS, and FCC, meeting the world's highest standards for safety, reliability, and sustainability. Excellence is not claimed, it's certified. As core technologies upgrade, more mass-produced products emerge. Our integrated product portfolio combines drone detection, defense, and jamming technologies to deliver full-spectrum protection for critical infrastructures. Are applied across public security, critical infrastructure, transport sites, energy projects, and counter-terrorism scenarios, etc. Our Beijing headquarters houses a 5,000 square meters R&D and marketing center, while Luoyang subsidiary features a 4,000 square meter standardized manufacturing hub, complete with technical service center, advanced production lines, and world-class testing facilities. Carry out thorough testing to ensure every product meets the highest standards. This gives us full capability to deliver comprehensive end-to-end services globally, continuously leading the way in low-altitude security. From China to the world, LZ Tech pushes the boundaries of airspace defense and redefines excellence with every breakthrough. Standing at the forefront of the wave, we safeguard the sky with innovation. LZ Tech, make the sky safer.